आ ही गए हो तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो। अच्छा वो बेल आइकन भी दबा देना। हाँ
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Alma and I'm trying to make content over here. So this is the part 3 of my weight loss journey, and in this video I will be talking about my diet routine. So it is all about how I went from this to this. So I'll show you guys the numbers of requests that I have been receiving from you guys. I know I do this a lot in each and every workout video of mine, but I like to do it, so why not? So these are the requests that I have been getting over here, and everywhere around me. I know I just wasted 5 seconds of your life, but it's okay guys, it's okay. So without any more let's just get into the video because I don't want to waste your time. Okay, so my diet routine was a pretty much simple and a very easy to go routine. It was not like a tough keto diet that I was following, because me as a teenager and every teenagers out there, we know that we cannot really go with a strict diet कि नहीं यही खाना है, नहीं वो ही खाना है, ये सब वो करना है. तो ऐसे हो नहीं सकता. We cannot make grilled sandwiches every day, या तो grilled chicken every day, या तो फिर everything like that. So it is tough. So what I used to follow was a completely different sort of a routine. I used to keep it very easy, simple going, and at the same time effective and healthy. So I'll start. The first thing that I used to do when I woke up was ki, without even brushing my teeth, I used to take a warm glass of water, and then in that I used to add apple cider vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar can do wonders to you in a healthy way. It is very good for your body. It is very good for your digestion at the same time. 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to it. Or if you don't have apple cider vinegar, what you can do is you can take a warm cup of water, add honey to it, add lemon to it, mix it and drink it. That is also very good. And if you think that your apple cider vinegar is too sour or it's really itching your throat, then you can add honey to it at the same time, because apple cider vinegar ka taste I don't really like it, but I used to drink it every single day. So what I used to do is I used to take apple cider vinegar and I used to add a little bit honey to it, mix it, and I used to drink it. So that was very healthy for my body, and it is also healthy for your digestion and everything. It is very good for your body. So that's how I used to start my day, with a nice warm cup of water with apple cider vinegar or lemon and honey to it. Okay, so before, when I was not really following a routine, when I was not into working out and everything, I used to skip my breakfast every time. I used to directly jump onto my lunch, eat a heavy lunch, and then have like rubbish food, snacks and everything, and then have a heavy dinner, and then I used to go to sleep. That is a very, very, very unhealthy routine that most of us follow. Okay, so the most important thing, the most important food, the most important meal of your day is your breakfast. We all tend to forget. We all tend to skip our breakfast. We should never skip our breakfast, because that is the healthiest meal of your day. I used to have like 2 eggs, either 2 boiled eggs or 2 half fry. I didn't like alat palat anda, omelette. Omelette मुझे नहीं पसंद था. I never liked omelette. So I used to eat eggs, or I used to have sausages and salamis. I used to just fry them, एकदम saute करके, and I used to eat it. Yummy breakfast, guys. It was like really nice. Or what you can do is you can have like milk, and you can add like Kellogg's to it and add honey to it, and you can eat that as well. Make sure if you're having like Fruit Loops or like Chocos or anything, avoid those sort of cereals because it has sugar in it. So what you are supposed to do is eat like Kellogg's or something which does not have sugar in it, and because that is good. You should avoid sugar the most in your diet. It is very important to avoid sugar at all times. Avoid sugar. Don't eat chocolates unnecessarily. Nutella sandwich, जो भी खा रहे हो वो सब avoid करो आप. And And then my lunch was pretty much simple. It was whatever मेरे घर पे जो भी बनता था, I used to eat that. But what I used to do is I used to have a bowl, like a very basic sort of a bowl of rice, and then I used to have like 2 rotis and the जो भी दाल जो भी बनी है सब्जी वो सब I used to eat. Lunch basic, simple, easy to go. ज़्यादा कच मच नहीं लंच में, बिकॉज मम्मी को अगर रोज़ परेशान करूँगी ऐसे लंच में कि नहीं मेरे लिए बनाओ, मम्मी चप्पल से मारेगी मुझे कसम से. So it was like that. I used to do that then. Okay, so for my working out sort of a routine, whenever I used to work out, my pre-workout meal would be a banana or apple. If I was hungry in between like a snack time or anything, I used to make a sandwich, or like I used to have Maggie or something. It was okay. It was like a very simple sort of thing. I didn't have Maggie every day for my every snack meal. हाँ मतलब once in a week चलता था, तो फिर ये था मेरा. So that used to be my snack time. And like it was not that कि I used to have snacks every day, हाँ like कि मैं रोज़ ये खाऊँ. It was not that. It used to depend. If I was hungry, then I used to make it and then I used to eat it. वरना it was not very important, like an important thing that I used to follow in my diet. So for the dinner, I used to keep it simple. No rice, like no rice at all, because rice takes a lot of time to digest, and you should not eat a lot of carbs before sleeping, because carbs, it's obviously carbs are not very good, but it is important to also have a carb intake in your meal. So I used to have a carb intake in my meal during the lunch time. रात के time पे I used to avoid carb as much as I could. So it was mostly like grilled chicken or like a salad. I used to take all these vegetables, I used to cut them, and like I used to add some sauces to it, mix it, and I used to eat that. I used to make salami, sausages, and like eat that. I used to avoid carbs, but अगर मुझसे salami, sausages या तो grilled chicken नहीं है available, then I used to have like a roti, and जो भी सब्जी बनी हो I used to have that सब्जी. I used to avoid rice at like बहुत बुरी तरीके से, because it was I cannot it was like an important thing to not eat rice during dinner time. You eat rice for your lunch, that is okay, but dinner में you should avoid carb. Eat healthy, like salad हो गया, chicken हो गया, या तो फिर अगर soup, you can drink soups, you can get those paya soups and like chicken soups, or like any soup, vegetable soup. If you're a vegetarian, have a vegetable soup. That is also very healthy, so you can have that, but avoid rice and roti रात में. But अगर नहीं हो रहा है, अगर you cannot eat, like if you're still feeling hungry, then eat roti. That is fine. You don't have to follow this routine from day one. ऐसे मत करो, slowly लो. रात को भी थोड़ा सा रोटी खा सकते हो आप, ऐसा नहीं है. But so that was it, and then I didn't eat anything after my dinner. Like I used to have my dinner at 10 or 9 at the latest. 10 समझो 11 बजे तक तो मेरा डिनर हो ही जाता था. मतलब 11 भी मैं बहुत लेट बोल रही हूँ, 10:30 तक मैं खा ही लेती थी अपना डिनर, और उसके बाद I didn't eat anything. I used to drink water. I didn't even like, अगर मैं फ्रूट्स भी नहीं खाती थी उसके बाद अगर कुछ हुआ तो. I used to be like कि then whenever I used to wake up, so if I used to sleep at around, समझो I used to eat my dinner at around 10, but सोते तो teenage हो you guys, I used to go through my Instagram and everything like that. तो सोते मुझे बज ही जाते थे. So I used to sleep at 1, I used to get up at 9:30ish, 10, और फिर मैं तभी जो मैं अपना वो वार्म वाटर से स्टार्ट करती थी, वही होता था मेरा डे. फिर बहुत बात कर लिया यार मैंने आज. So this was it. This was the routine that I followed, and right now I'm slowly changing the routine, because I am getting into a more sort of a strict routine, because now that I have been following this routine for like 4 months, that my body is used to it. So I need to just get into a better, I am trying to get into a better shape. I am following all these workout routines. I will also be making a 3-month gap video about how I am right now and how I'm going to transform myself into. So that is also a good thing that I'm doing. So yeah, that is it. And about water, just drink water. Like drink water the most. Like have juices, have orange juices, have watermelon juices, have like have juices man, it's gonna just do wonders. कोकोनट नारियल पानी पियो, ये सब पियो, मलाई खाओ, कोकोनट नारियल पानी का मलाई मतलब कोकोनट का मलाई खाओ आई मीन. तो वो सब हैव अ more water intake in your body because that is also very important. So I used to drink a lot of water. I used to have so many juices in a day. I always used to have a glass of juice. It used to be orange juice or like a pomegranate juice or like a watermelon juice or nariyal pani or anything. But I used to make sure that I used to have one glass of juice at least in a day. So this was it basically. Yeah, I think I've covered all the points that I used to follow. So if you're new to working out, then this is a very simple routine that you can follow, but it is effective at the same time. So 2-minute break. प्यास लगी, बहुत बात किया मैंने आज. दो मिनट गाइस. कौवा भी काँव काँव कर रहा है. इतनी बात तो मैंने काफी दिनों के बाद की है. Okay guys, so yeah, so that was stop disturbing me. He's my friend. We talk all the time, me and Mr. Crow, we're best friends. He's just trying to talk to me, but I'm busy with you guys, so he's just mad. So yeah guys, oh my god, I understand baby, be quiet. So yeah guys, that was it for my video. I think I have covered all the points, and if you're new to working out, then this is a very good routine that you guys can follow. It is very simple, very healthy, very effective at the same time. So this was the routine that I used to follow. If you guys want, I'll make another video about what all stuff that I make and how I used to make it, how I used to make my salads, how I used to make like a nice breakfast and everything. I'll make a video about that as well, so that it's a better help for you guys. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm new here and I'm trying to make content. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video, in which I will be posting about my ab workout. So yeah, stay tuned and please subscribe, like and share. Bye.